In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cover page on Google Docs. Let's start by opening a new Google Docs document. You can do this from your Google Drive or directly at docs.google.com by choosing a blank document. Working in a fresh doc keeps your cover page clean and free of stray formatting. First, add your main title. Click near the top of the page and type the title of your document. To make it stand out, increase the font size and apply bold. A larger size, like 36 to 48 points, is a common choice for titles, and bold gives it the emphasis it needs. Choose a clear, professional font, something like Arial, Times New Roman, or Georgia, so your title is easy to read at a glance. Under the title, include the supporting details, your subtitle if you have one, your name as the author, and the course or company, along with the date. Keep these on separate lines for clarity. You can use a slightly smaller font size than the title for these details to create a clear visual hierarchy. Consider using regular weight for the subtitle and your name, and keep the tone consistent and professional throughout. Next, let's make the layout look polished with center alignment. Highlight your title and all the lines beneath it. Go to the top menu and select Format, then Align and Indent, and choose Center. Centering the elements gives your cover page that clean, balanced look that's typical in academic and professional documents. If you'd like to include a visual element, you can insert an image or logo. Go to Insert, then Image, and choose where your image is coming from, your computer, Google Drive, or the web. Keep the image modest in size and place it either above the title or below the author details, depending on the style you want. If it feels too dominant, simply reduce the size by dragging the corners so it complements the text instead of competing with it. To fine-tune readability and spacing, head to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. Adjust the line spacing so your title and details have breathing room. You can also add space before or after paragraphs to separate the title from the other text. A little extra spacing goes a long way toward making the cover page feel more intentional and less crowded. That's it. Your cover page is ready. Once you're satisfied with the layout, you can move on and start the rest of your document on the next page. This structure keeps your introduction separate and gives your work a polished first impression.